Hello everyone, welcome to Programming Cradle. So a few days back I posted a poll and I asked which all factors do you think are important and which are the factors you should look for while taking up a data science course. Actually it holds good for any kind of course you are looking for. So if you are someone who is in the market and looking for some data science course or any other skill development course, you probably might find this video helpful. So when I saw the results and it was kind of obvious, but few factors which I thought would get more votes and they got actually less votes. So it was strange, but then I thought about it and then I realized, yeah, probably that might be the reason. I will discuss everything in this video. So yeah, with that let's start the video. But before moving further, as always, I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and be a part of Programming Cradle family, and also hit the bell icon so that you get notified each time when a video goes live. And also one thing I noticed that I was going through YouTube analytics, and there I saw most of the people, they are watching my videos but they are not the subscribers. I think 85% of the people are not subscribers. So if you are watching the video and if you are liking the videos and if you are gaining some information out of these videos, please subscribe to the channel. It just takes a click and it doesn't cost anything. So yeah, go ahead, subscribe to the channel and be a part of Programming Cradle family. So yeah, with that let's start our discussion. So here you can see that in the poll the maximum votes have gone to placements, 47%. And yeah, it makes sense because when you take some skill development course, you probably are looking for a job, so or maybe hike in your salary, or if you want to switch to a different domain. So these things are possible, and I think these are the primary goals for you to take any skill development course. So it completely makes sense. And after that 36% went to course content. So of course, if the course content is not good, probably that course is not good and you won't learn enough. So yeah, that also makes sense. And after that 11% went to teaching. And again, teaching is very important. If the course content is very good but the teacher is not able to make you understand all those concepts, there is no point in having a great content, right? So yeah, again, teaching is very important. And after that comes the fees, and that's where I felt it strange, because it just got 5% and total 262 votes we have got. So yeah, I thought fees will get more votes, if not highest, but at least somewhere around 15% or more than that at least, but it got just 5%. And then I thought about it and I felt like if you go to the market and if you search for data science course, you will find courses ranging from 500 rupees to all the way up to 6 lakh rupees. So of course the course content, teaching, placement assistant, and interview preparation, resume preparation, and certificate value, everything vary from cheapest to the costliest course. But that doesn't mean that if the course is very costly, it is the best course, and if the course is very cheap, it is not that good. So that is something which I wanted to tell. And then I realized that yeah, okay, fees can be the least important factor in deciding about the course. But now I would like to give my opinion. What is my opinion? And if I had to vote, I would have I will just prioritize all the factors. So for me, the first factor which is most important is course content, because let's say some course is there about data science, and they are teaching you Python and some visualization tool and a few machine learning algorithms like k nearest neighbor and logistic regression, linear regression, and SVM, and they are like, okay, we are done, and you know machine learning, you know data visualization, you know Python, you are a data scientist. And when you go to the go and apply for the job, and you get all type of different questions in the interview, you will be like, I didn't learn any of these things. So that's where course content is the most important factor for me. And after that, I think teaching is probably the second most important thing, because if the course content is good, like I told you, and teacher is not able to deliver it properly, and you are not able to understand those concepts, you will have to again and again go to open source material like YouTube or Stack Overflow or Medium or towards data science blogs. So you can go to all those platforms and you can learn, but then you have to first see the content in the course, and then you have to go outside and then learn from there. So it is extra time you have to put in. So I think teaching has to be good, and if the content is good and the teaching is good, you probably will learn things properly, and that translates to you getting job easily, which will improve the placements of the course better. So that is what I think. The course content is very important, then the teaching. And if you found that the course content is good and the teaching is good, but then you realize that the fees is very high and it is not in your budget, then there is no point in having course content and teaching very good, right? So you will have to settle for cheaper courses. So that is the thing. So I will give third place to fees, and the last I would give to placement. This is just my thinking, but clearly looking at the data, we can see that most people think that placements are the most important thing. And by placement, I am including both the number of students that are getting placed from a particular course and the assistance provided by the course. So like I told you, the course can only schedule an interview for you, but at the end of the day, cracking the interview is totally on you, and a company won't hire you just because you completed the course from a particular organization. Let's say XYZ course organization has collaboration with ABC company, and they sent your resume to ABC company, and ABC company agreed, okay, this candidate is fine, we will interview him or her. So you went to the interview, and if you don't perform properly in the interview, that ABC company won't hire you, even if you are from XYZ company, because they need proper employee for them, right? So that is the thing. So yeah, this is my view. And some people also gave like 1% people also voted for others, but they didn't mention anything in the comments. So I don't know, there can be 100 other factors, but I don't know what was there in their mind and what they were thinking. So yeah, I think this is what I wanted to discuss in this video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel. Almost 85% of the people are not subscribed to the channel, so that's really strange. And if you want to know more, or if you want to know something specific, do let me know in the comment section. I will be more than happy to help you. And also you can join Telegram group. There also you can ask questions, and I personally answer question only in comment section and on LinkedIn, and occasionally in the programming Cradle group, Telegram group. So but there are so many people there, so they try to help each other. So that is a very great community there. And also, if you want to download data science notes, you can download data science notes. It will probably help you. I have got a very good feedback about the notes, and people are getting people are learning too much from those notes. So I am very happy to know that. So yeah, see you in the next video. Bye. Happy learning.